Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to focus on the save item command. This is the ability to save a single item and its information from Onshape to OpenBOM. So to do that, I'm going to go back and revisit the assembly that we just created for our top level design. Here it is. This is our -110 assembly. And I'm going to look right at some of these electrical items here. The E104 in particular doesn't have any material assigned. So I want to fix that. So I'm going to use the link right here that's in the OpenBOM bill of material. I'm going to click that. It's going to take me right to that part studio. It's an easy way to find my parts in Onshape, especially if I've got large Onshape assemblies. And I'm going to take a look at this mount. And I'm going to say, yeah, that's supposed to be, I think that's supposed to be aluminum. So I'm just going to go ahead and assign aluminum to that. Check that off. Okay, so that's the LCD mount. So I just made that change. I want to update my bill of material in OpenBOM. Here's the way you do that. Using the new OpenBOM items flyout in the Part Studio, I'm going to uncheck that box there that says for all items, and I'm just going to pick the LCD mount, use the save item command. We, of course, recognize that we find it in the electrical catalog in OpenBOM, so let's go ahead and save that over there. We get a message that we're done. So let's go take a look at that electrical catalog. Right now we can see that our material, where before it was blank, we'll update that catalog and we'll see that now it's aluminum. So that is the save item command for individual items. So before, you had to go ahead and update the entire bill of material to get a single change to a single item. The save item command is really important. Lets you send just a single item and its information from Onshape to OpenBOM. You can get more help on that at support@openbom.com. Thanks.